Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous flower basket fridge magnet, which is made using ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks. And also I have created here 5 different type of paper flowers. So I will share each and every step of how to make the basket, how to make the back window, and you can use this as a magnet or you can just decorate your desk as a showpiece. And there are 5 different methods of making these colorful lovely paper flowers, which is hand cut and hand shaped. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I am starting with making the basket. For this I am taking 18 by 13.4 white color cardstock. From 4 sides I have creased at 2.5 and 5 centimeters, 2.5 and 5, 2.5 and 5 and 2.5 and 5 centimeters. Now we have to make some cuts to create the box. So here can you see 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. So first we have to cut these 2 corner vertical lines like this. Now rotate the sheet and cut the corner from second crease line like this, and also the another line from the bottom. So one corner cutting is done. Also I am giving little slit to this panel so that when we will construct the box we can fold it easily. Now I am going to cut the remaining corners with the same process. So cutting is done. Now we have to fold all the parts and burnish it nicely using bone folder to make the crisp folds. So first of all I am directly connecting these 2 parts with the base using glue, and then for another 2 sides we have to fold these flaps, add little glue and connect it like this to construct the box. With the same method I am going to repeat on another side. So our basket box is completely ready. It's quite sturdy and stiff. Now to make back window, here I am taking one more sheet which is 8 by 9 centimeters. So first we have to find out the center, that is 4 centimeter. Create the vertical line by joining these markings. Then from this side we have to mark at 4 centimeters, and using 4 centimeter radius I am going to create one semicircle like this. So it will be the arc for our window. Now using same center I am taking 3.5 centimeter radius and making one more arc, and in this way you can create the window pattern. Just completing these lines to give it nice shape. And now we have to divide this window to create inner parts. So I'm just making few lines here and there. So the pattern is done. Now I am just marking with my pencil the part which we have to cut using paper cutter. So all these portions which are marked with cross we have to cut. So I'm taking here my X-Acto knife and start cutting it slowly. And one side of the window is done. With the same method I am going to cut the another side. Now it's done and we have to cut the outer layer as well to complete the window look. And the window is ready. Now we have to stick one more same size sheet on back side of this, so that we will have double window together to create stiff back of the magnet. So first I am sticking it as a template on one same cardstock piece, and we have to cut all these pieces again for the base cardstock using paper cutter. So the cutting is done for both the layers and our sturdy window base is completely ready. Now it's time to connect the basket with the window. So just adding little glue and sticking it like this. Now to have sturdy base from back side on which we are going to connect the magnet, I am going to stick one ice cream stick in the center like this. So according to the length of this I am just measuring using pencil and cutting the excess. Now add little glue and stick this ice cream stick on back side. So it will work like the backbone of the basket. Now taking some more ice cream sticks and according to the width and depth of the basket I am chopping these ice cream sticks, and I have already prepared some pieces to construct the fencing of the basket like this. So we need two bigger one and some in smaller size. Now taking back my basket and one by one I am going to stick all these sticks to construct the fencing. And this is done. Now you can keep it as it is, but I thought to color this with white acrylic color just to match with our base. You can color your sticks before sticking, and I thought after sticking all the sticks it will be easier to color it together. And you can color it with any shade whatever you like, but since our flowers are colorful, so white base will look nice. And after coloring it from all the sides and drying, our base basket magnet is ready. Now it's time to create handmade flowers to decorate this. So I'm starting with my first set of flowers, that is the pink one. For this I'm taking 7 mm half strip in pink color, just folding it twice like this and start cutting the fringes. We have to cut very thin fringes, so do it carefully. Now opening this fringe strip, taking my quilling tool and making a fringe flower. Then just opening all the fringes carefully and passing one wire pollen through this. So first of all I am putting glue on back side to make it close, and then taking one wire pollen, add little glue and passing through the flower. Now opening all the fringes again nicely And the super cute French flower is ready. With the same method, I have already prepared lots of flowers to create the bunch. The color is very vibrant. Now starting with my second set of flower, for this I am taking one square piece which is 2.5 by 2.5 centimeters. First we have to divide the square in 4 equal parts. Just cut a slit from top towards the center, then cutting from the corners, and in this way you have 8 equal parts. Now we have to shape each part to convert in the petal. So first I am curving it from one side, then rotate the piece and cutting the petal from another side. So in this way you can create 8 petal flower very easily. Now just spraying little bit of water from both sides of the flowers to make it little wet, and then soaking the excess water using tissue paper. Then adding yellow watercolor in the center, spreading it nicely with water and allow it to semi-dry. So after semi-drying it, just rotate your flower on bunch of tissue paper and using my quilling tool to shape the petal from back side. Just we have to make the crease line from tip to the center of the petal. Rotate the flower on your palm, push it in the center from back side of the brush, and the 3D flower is ready. Now creating the hole in the center of the flower after drying it completely using any sharp thing. I am using here pointed tweezer, passing one pink color wire pollen through this, and the super gorgeous flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of flowers already with the same method, and the bunch is looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? Now I am proceeding with the violet color flowers. For this I am taking half strip of purple color or violet color in 2 mm, making one teardrop shape. Just joining total 4 petals together. Now to make the center of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one tight coil and putting it on the flower. So this is done. Now to create stem of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 3 mm and making one cone shape, passing one wire pollen through the cone. Add glue inside the cone and stick your flower. So the flower is completely ready. With the same method, I have prepared the bunch already. Then I am starting with the 4th flower bunch, that is the blue one. For this I am taking half strip of light blue color in 2 mm and making one tight leaf shape. Just joining 5 petals together. And for the center I am adding the tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of medium blue color, and the flower is ready. Now just like before, I have already created here stem, so just filling this stem using glue and sticking my flower on top of this. And the super cute blue flower is also done, and I have already prepared lots of blue flowers for my bunch. Now starting with my last flower, that is the pink one. For this I am taking 200 GSM pink color cardstock strip. This is half strip in 10 mm. Just folding it twice and creating thin fringes like this. Opening the strip and using my quilling tool, I am making fringe flower. Now we have to open the fringes only on the outer layer. Don't open the center bunch. Keep it as it is so that you will have little different kind of fringe flower like this. Now taking one wire pollen, add little glue and passing through the center of this. And the flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of flowers already for my pink flower bunch. Now I will show you how to bind all these flowers together to create nice bunch. So first we have to put all the flowers between your fingers in one level. Hold it nicely from bottom and using flower wire or wire pollen, we have to tie it nicely. Now spread the flowers according to your requirement using tweezers and the beautiful flower bunch is ready. And in this way all my flowers are completely ready. Now here I am taking green color clay. Actually I have colored my handmade clay with green acrylic color. And I am taking a dough of the clay and sticking it on the base of my basket so that we can tuck our flowers inside this. And also taking small sap green color 3mm strips. I have cut in the bottom in V shape and adding here and there randomly on outer side of the basket to have little foliage effect. And also I have some die cut out foliages already ready with me, so I am sticking it on back side of this basket. It will enhance our floral beauty more. And now it's time to connect our all flower bunches. So in the bottom of the wires I have already added glue, and in the center I am adding yellow flower bunch, then I am adding dark pink flower bunch, then blue flowers, after that light pink flower in corner, and on back side I am adding purple flower bunch. So cute. Then in the upper corner I am adding cute butterfly, also decorating the center of butterfly using some half cut pearls. Like this, so pretty. And at the end I am sticking one strong magnet and allow it to dry for a few minutes. And the super gorgeous fridge magnet flower basket with the window is completely ready, and you can make it in different color combination with teeny mini flowers, and you can also decorate your desk, you can gift it to someone special, and the overall look is very satisfying. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.